Want to make your designs pop off the screen and grab attention? Let's dive into Photoshop and learn how to add a drop shadow to any image in just a few simple steps. First, open the image you want to work with in Photoshop. Make sure the layer containing your image is selected in the Layers panel. This is crucial, as the drop shadow will be applied to this layer. Now, look at the bottom of the Layers panel and click on the FX icon, which opens the Layer Style menu. From the drop-down menu, select Drop Shadow. This opens the Drop Shadow Layer Style window, where the magic happens. Here you can customize your drop shadow. The most important settings are opacity, which controls the shadow's visibility, distance, which sets how far the shadow is offset from the image, and size, which determines the shadow's blurriness or softness. Play around with these sliders until you achieve the desired effect. Don't forget to experiment with the blend mode. Multiply is a common choice, but try others to see what works best for your design. And that's it. By adjusting these settings, you can create subtle, realistic shadows or dramatic, eye-catching effects. Drop shadows are a fantastic way to add depth, create separation, and instantly elevate your designs in Photoshop. Now go experiment and add some dimension to your images.